Hello everyone and welcome to another Nowtrin Tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure Microsoft Office applications, for example Excel, Word and PowerPoint, to open with a keyboard shortcut. So instead of double clicking the icon, for example Excel, you can press a combination of keys on the keyboard and it will open. So to configure Excel to open with a keyboard shortcut, I'll just right click Excel, click on Properties. So here is where you can type in the shortcut key. So it says none. So just click here with the mouse. It's going to use a combination key of Control-Alt, which is default, and another key. So there are going to be three keys that you need to press on the keyboard to open up the application. So Control-Alt is already there by default. So I'm going to just type an E for Excel. And as you can see, it's Control-Alt-E. Click Apply, click OK. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to press the combination keys on the keyboard, Control-Alt-E, and it opens. So I'm going to do the same thing for Microsoft Word. I'm going to right click it, click on Properties. So in the shortcut key section, I'm going to type W and it's Control-Alt-W. Click Apply, click OK. I'll do the same thing for PowerPoint. Right click PowerPoint, click on Properties. In the shortcut key section, I'm just going to type P and it's Control-Alt-P. Click Apply, click OK. So I'm going to test PowerPoint. I'll press Control-Alt-P on the keyboard. So when I open Microsoft Excel, I get a startup screen here. So I just want a blank workbook to open. So to remove this startup screen, just click on a blank workbook or any other Excel file you have. So you want to go to File, click on Options. So click on General, and on the right side, scroll down until you see Startup Options. So uncheck this box, show the start screen when this application starts. Click OK. So I'm going to close back Excel and I'm going to open it back, and it opens in a blank workbook. So you can do the same thing for Microsoft Word. Go to File, Options, select General. On the right side, scroll down until you see Startup Options, and uncheck Show the start screen when this application starts. Click OK. I'll do the same thing for PowerPoint. Go to File, Options, select General. On the right side, Startup Options, uncheck Show the start screen when this application starts. Click OK. So I'm going to use the keyboard to open Microsoft Word, and that's Control-Alt-W, and it opens up in a blank document. I'll do the same thing for PowerPoint, Control-Alt-P, and it opens up PowerPoint in a blank presentation. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.